Welcome back to my channel. Here, Zeme Baptist Youth Zaluketon. We are organizing faith program. That is at Zaluketon, Midland, at the campus of Zaluketon Baptist Church. I'll show you the details. And if you don't know the location, please contact me. I'll pick it up to you, and I'll let you know the place. Dart throw. I know dart throw. This is called dart throw here. You will get the prize here. If you can do throw exact place. And here, Yergan shot. I ball kick. This is ball kick here. You have to kick inside the tire. Yeah. Let's go. Wow! He missed it, so he will not get the prize. And here, foods you get different menu here. Chicken fry and pork fry, and there are many omelette, sana, motor curry and coffee, boiled egg and singzu. You can get even Nagaland singzu and Manipur singzu here. This evening, around 4:30 p.m. we are going to start, so you can come and participate. Knockdown. Here, you can see lucky spin. Lucky spin here. And here, lucky pickup. Lucky pick. Iti aine chinase. Aine check krilovi kiki ase ede menu. Many items, games, fun, game and sport, and very important part is music. Music you can bring to any one of your lovers, no problem. There is no restricted. You can bring your boyfriend, girlfriend, no problem, and you can play a song and dedicate a song for them. I too am ready to dedicate for someone. You can come and visit here. We will start by program by 4:30 p.m. Face paint. It is face paint. I say here face paint. If you want to paint on your face like flag or any picture, apni ki draw kru le mona se iti draw kru paribo. Program makan aji aro kali 29 and 30. We are going to have a program, so you can come and visit our program.